Hey guys, week 6. I can't believe we're already in week 6. It's flying by this semester. So if you've noticed, if you've taken a look at week 6 yet, it's going to be a light week as compared to our past few weeks. We don't have a speech due this week. All you have to do is focus on Unit 15. So reading Unit 15 and doing the discussion questions and responding to your peers. Okay, so that's what this week's all about. Now, there's a couple of things I want you guys to keep in mind for Unit 15. So, Unit 15 is all about visual aids. Okay, so in this class, we use non-projected visual aids. So what that means is we don't use PowerPoint. All we use are posters. Okay, so thinking about that from an online speech class standpoint, that's gonna pose some obstacles. Now, I want you guys to make sure you focus on page 66. There's a column, and the title of that column is Rules for Effective Use. And I want you guys to really read that and think about how can you effectively use your visual aid via the camera, okay? Because you have to think, are my words big enough? Do I have big enough pictures? Is there too much? Is there not enough? You have to think of all these steps, okay? Because for speech 3, which is next week, you guys are going to have a visual aid, okay? So speaking of speech 3 is informational with a visual aid. So the cool thing is that you guys get to pick your own topic. So you can pick whatever topic you want to inform us on, okay? A couple of things I want you to keep in mind, however. Think of your audience. Why do we care about your topic? Why would we care about whatever you want to talk about? Or how can you get us to care, okay? Do you have enough resources? Because this next one, I believe you have to have 5 sources. So can you find enough information? Okay, that's a big thing. If you can't find enough information, it's really hard to write a speech on it. And so if you're having trouble thinking of a topic, you guys can go ahead and use Appendix H, which is page 251. In your textbook, so you can kind of get some ideas, maybe bounce some ideas off of there. And remember, topics, for example, when we did our Collaborate the other day, topics like communism or Christianity are huge topics. So you can't talk about that in 5 to 7 minutes, or 6 to 8 minutes, I believe, is this next speech. It's too much to speak about in that amount of time. So think about the main 3 parts that you want to focus on. That way, you're not giving us too much information too fast. Okay. But as always, I'm here to help you. Please let me know if I can do anything for you, and good luck. We'll see you week 7.